As we promised in our last video, today we're excited to share with you something truly delightful. 4 delicious smoothie recipes that are perfect for starting your day on a healthy note. We understand the importance of nutritious breakfast, and these smoothies are packed with energy and essential nutrients to fuel your day. So get ready to join us as we explore 4 incredible smoothie recipes that will leave you feeling refreshed and satisfied. Let's go! Our first smoothie that we have for you is spinach and berry smoothie. This smoothie features spinach and mixed berries for a nutrient-packed breakfast. Spinach is a nutritional powerhouse that's high in vitamins C and K, as well as iron, calcium, and other minerals. Berries, meanwhile, are rich in antioxidants and fiber, making them a great choice for a healthy breakfast. So again, mix all the following ingredients: 1 large handful of strawberries peeled and washed, or you can use raspberries or blackberries, 1 handful of spinach, 1 small cucumber peeled, 1 stalk of celery, 5 grams of crushed almonds, and 2 deciliters of almond milk. Mix everything together and smoothie is ready. The second smoothie on our list is avocado and kale smoothie. This smoothie features avocado and kale for a superfood-packed breakfast. Avocado is a great source of healthy fats, fiber, and vitamins C, K, and D. Kale, meanwhile, is rich in antioxidants, fiber, and vitamins A, C, and K. So here is the recipe for you to try. You will need the following ingredients: 1 piece of avocado by cutting it in half, remove the seed and remove the skin, cutting it into quarters, and put the flesh of the avocado in a mixer. 1/4 head of kale by rinsing the kale leaves under water, drying them with a paper towel, and putting the leaves in blender. 4 fresh mint leaves, 3 deciliters of coconut milk, 1 tablespoon of honey, 5 grams of crushed hazelnuts, 5 basil leaves, and 1 handful of cashews. But before putting the nuts in the mixer, you must first soak them in the water for about 10 minutes. Put everything in the mixer, blend, and smoothie is ready. Our third smoothie recipe features peaches and carrots for a sweet and tangy breakfast option. Peaches are a great source of vitamin A and C, while carrots are packed with beta-carotene, vitamin K, and other nutrients. To prepare this smoothie, just mix following ingredients: 2 large peaches peeled, pitted, cut into large pieces and put in a mixer, 1 teaspoon of fresh grated ginger, 2 large carrots, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of coconut milk, ½ teaspoon of vanilla sugar, 3 deciliters of cold water, and 5 grams of crushed pistachios. And lastly, our final smoothie recipe is chocolate and banana smoothie that's perfect for those mornings when you need a little extra energy boost. Bananas are a great source of potassium, fiber, and other essential nutrients, while cacao powder is rich in antioxidants and can help improve mood and cognitive functions. Mix in a mixer 2 bananas, peeled and cut into rings, 2 tablespoons of rolled oats, 1 teaspoon of sweet cream, 2 tablespoons of oatmeal, 150 grams of grated chocolate, 2 deciliters of cold water, 5 grams of crushed almonds, and ½ teaspoon of vanilla sugar. And there we have it. We hope you enjoyed these 4 delicious smoothie recipes. We truly believe that starting your mornings with these healthy choices will set the tone for a fantastic day ahead. Remember to check our channel for more inspiring recipes and cooking tips. Explore out our other videos to discover a world of culinary delight. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated with our latest releases. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy blending and take care. Goodbye.